The following portion of Fox 43 AM Live is sponsored by Tender Loving Care Pet Nursing Hotel.
And joining us now is Leslie Flueranges with Tender Loving Care Pet Nursing Hotel. Good morning.
Good morning.
Now, February is Pet Dental Care Month, correct?
Yes, absolutely,
okay.
absolutely. So this is the month in the year when all the veterinarians try to get the word out that people should bring their cats and dogs in for what we call a dental prophy. It's basically going in and cleaning your pet's teeth. And the reason that's so important is because, and this is for humans too.
Yeah,
right?
Like every 6 months I'm going in to get my
I do every
clean.
3 months,
Yes.
but
oh, good for you.
I hate to floss. But that's because, you know, the blood in your mouth transfers and goes down through your body into your heart. And if that blood is infected because your teeth are infected because you have periodontal disease or whatever, that can cause heart attacks. Is that like crazy? So it's real important that we humans keep our teeth clean, and it's very important that pets keep their teeth clean as well. And you know, mom and dad have the job of getting that done because pets can't always do it for themselves.
Yes, I think we. Yeah, we don't even realize how much keeping our teeth clean for ourselves is so important.
Right. But
to also translate that the pets have kind of the same issues.
Exactly.
So it's very important to have our pets checked for their dental. Like, how can owners, you know, I guess, spot dental problems?
Right. Bad breath is one.
Oh. Uh-oh. Okay.
And then you can actually look at their teeth and see that there's tartar on it. And that's another way. And then if they stop eating or they seem like they're in pain or discomfort when they're eating, that's another way that pet owners can tell. And, you know, a lot of times we just don't go to the veterinarian often enough. And so we're not seeing that. Cats are a perfect example of ones that do not get to the vet as often as they should. And they're the ones who really mask their pain because their history is being in the wild and not wanting to get attacked. So they don't show their pain. They want to seem strong all the time. So, you know, if they stop eating or if they start acting differently, different behaviors, that's when you should really go to the vet and have that checked out and see if cats, you know, your cat is having dental issues, because that's a certain thing. And cleaning cat teeth is not the easiest thing at home.
Doing anything with my cat's not the easiest thing at home.
You know, they show this where you can actually take gauze, wrap it around your finger, and then use that to try and clean their teeth, because getting a toothbrush in there is not the easiest thing to do.
Okay. Well, at least I'll have the gauze for my scratches when I'm done there.
Exactly.
You know, yes, how can owners prevent dental disease then, so maybe we don't have to, you know, worry too much?
Well, you know, it's not always easy. Regular checking, brushing. And some of the pet food companies have dental food that your pets can eat, and usually it's kibble, and the kibble is usually larger so that the tooth can actually go into the kibble, and that kind of gives it that abrasion, and that rubs the tartar off of the teeth. So if you use a dental diet, which is a perfectly good diet to use for maintenance to just keep your pet healthy, that's really one of the best ways to do that.
And I've seen like the dental treats, kind of those long green things. Do those really work?
Some of them work, you know, but I'm not going to say they don't work. Some of them work, but the food is really the best, and brushing is really the best. But dental chews do help, and that's certainly an easier way to get it done, because I can understand pet parents having problems with brushing. I mean, to be honest, I don't brush Mimi's teeth.
Okay, good. Charlie, I need to take you to the vet soon. Well, yeah, what should parents, pet owners avoid then?
Well, you know, it's hard to say what they should avoid. I don't know that there's anything that they can avoid. I think it's more about being proactive, you know, and really checking on your pet. I mean, sometimes pets also have broken teeth. And so, you know, we just kind of play with our pets all the time. We're not thinking that there's anything wrong in their mouth, but you got to check. And I know that my dog, she has a snaggle tooth over here, but because she's a Lhasa, you know, some breeds are just prone to having bad teeth and dental problems because with Lhasas, with Shih Tzus, with other dogs, they have a small mouth. Frenchies, for instance, and so all those teeth kind of crunch up, and they don't have good dental health there. So because all the teeth are all kind of crunched up together, they have problems, and I think Mimi has, you know, probably about 7 or 8 teeth left.
Yeah. Oh.
Because she's gone in for dentals, and they're a hot mess.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, so I think that's really what people should do is just check in your pet's mouth.
Yeah, check your pet's mouth. Like I said, be proactive. Watch your. Yeah, it definitely. I got to watch Charlie. You know, his attitude. Are you eating? Are you eating? Are you?
Right.
What's your?
Right. And you know, throw in those dental treats if you don't want to feed a dental food. You know, get the dental treats. And when you go to the veterinarian for something, make sure that they're checking their teeth.
Okay.
They usually do.
Yes. And what about senior pets? I know, like, especially you kind of mentioned with TLC, you were wanting to focus on senior pets. Any special care for them for the dental?
You know, we are just following what the pet parents do. We definitely have dental chews at TLC that we give pets as treats. We have treat time at 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and at 7 o'clock if you're staying overnight. So, you know, we have dental treats and then we have regular treats. And we try to give treats that are healthy, that are light. So, you know, we don't want to make pets fat. So we use light treats so that they don't gain weight while they're with us. Because, you know, pets like their treats.
Yes.
And we don't want to send them home kind of chubby.
No,
and not wanting to eat the treats that they get at home because, you know, some parents bring treats and some don't.
Leslie's got the really good treats. Take me back to TLC, please.
Exactly. So, yeah, so that's what we do. And, you know, if we do notice anything with the teeth, we have report cards that we send out to pet parents. And we let them know, we're seeing this, we notice this, and then when they pick their pet up, you know, we make sure to follow up and say, I don't know if you noticed this, you know, in the report card, but, you know, we noticed, you know, John not eating too well, or Cassie not eating as well, or, you know what, we just noticed their teeth were looking a little.
That's wonderful.
Something.
Well, it's great that you're helping keep us eye out on our pets' dental health care. That's wonderful.
Yep, it's important.
Yes. Well, Leslie, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Thank you for enlightening us on our pets' dental care. I think I need to make a couple appointments coming up here soon.
Sounds like a good thing. All the veterinarians would be happy if you do that.
Yes, of course. All right, everybody. And of course, to learn more about tender loving care, you can visit tlcpetnursinghotel.com.
The preceding portion of Fox 43 AM Live was sponsored by Tender Loving Care Pet Nursing Hotel.